Hey everyone, I am back with another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to make beads out of roses. Now this can work with any kind of flower, I'm told. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time. So the last year or so I've been researching how to make beads just out of roses. Now I am a girly girl and I love roses. They are my favorite flower. And I don't get them too often from Metal Brad because he thinks they are a waste of money. So I'm not shaming him or anything. Every single rose I get from him is just that much more special because he doesn't like getting them. So for the last few months, I have been doing research on different ways on how to make these. I have taken a bunch of different tutorials and articles that I've read and combined them into what I like best. This is a process that takes about a week to make them. So if you want an instant craft, this is not it. This, like I said, this can take a week or then some.
For your first step, remove the flower petals from the roses. Put the petals in a non-stick or cast iron frying pan. I used a frying pan because it makes the beads darker. Add a half cup of water and cook just under the boiling point until the petals get soft. Be careful not to let all the water evaporate, and keep watching carefully and add water if necessary. When the petals are soft, turn the mixture off and let it cool. This can take 20 to 30 minutes. After the rose petals are cooled, put them in a blender. You might have to add some water to make the mixture go smoothly. It's better to add more than less. You're going to end up with a smoothie-like substance. After you're done making this, put it back in the skillet and just bring it under a boil, stirring a lot. Keep doing this until the water has evaporated off the mixture and is a bit dry. You want it more like polymer clay. After you're satisfied with the mixture, store it overnight in a dry area. I put it in my oven, but figured out later it was better to put it in my laundry room because it was warmer and drier in there. After letting the clay dry out overnight, I remove it from the oven and start working my beads. I take a little bit of time and roll them into a ball. Once I'm satisfied with my size, I take the balls and I put a pin through them. Now these beads will shrink overnight. So I use a toothpick and go partially in on both sides to create a bigger hole so it's not too small to make into a necklace later. After I'm done making my beads and putting holes in them, I store them in a warm place, again, overnight. After a couple days, my beads are completely dry and I start making them into a necklace.
And that is my tutorial on how to make beads out of roses. Now, a couple things. These are not waterproof, so don't go swimming in them. Don't go out in the rain with them. If they get wet, they will disintegrate. So if you're out somewhere it starts raining or if you get sweaty, just take them off and pat them dry. To keep them longer, don't store them in a plastic bag or anything like that. From what I've been reading, the best way to keep these beads longer is to store them in a wooden box. Some people I was reading about even said to put other rose petals in there. Some even add rose oil to them so they keep a smell. I don't really care about the smell, so I didn't worry too much about that. But at the end of the day, I was really happy with the results. I've been wearing them almost every day since I've been wearing them almost every day since I made them. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you've tried this before, please comment below. Tell me what other flowers you've used. I really want to try these with sunflowers eventually. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you next time. Bye!